Hop Hop loves to play and have fun. He dances and loves jumping high. He flaps little wings, hop, hop, hop. And look at how well he can hide. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Hop Hop the owl. It's morning. Hop Hop is still sleeping. The mosquito is buzzing. It's disturbing Hop Hop's sleep.
Ouch!
Don't be afraid, Hop Hop. Peck is here. He scared the mosquito who wanted to bite you. Mosquito bites are not fun.
Mosquito!
Hop Hop quietly creeps up on the mosquito. Whack! He flew away! The birdies are chasing the mosquito. Look! He flew out the window. The mosquito flew away. Whoops! Be careful, little owl. What is that? Is that your new toy? Peck, that's not a real mosquito. Stop! It's just a drawing on a toy. Peck is chasing a puck with a mosquito on it. Wow! A slide! And there are more pucks with insects drawn on them. Ant, butterfly, ladybug. Let's play. Jump. The puck with the ant rolls down. Now the butterfly. And the ladybug. That's a real ladybug. Wait, Peck, she's a nice bug. Hop, what are you up to? The toy ladybug is going down the slide. Shall we play again?
Butterfly! Ladybug! Mosquito! Ant!
Look, birdies, the mosquito is back. Catch him!